So today what we're doing is we're going to apply a coat of papaya on top of a cauliflower. And for a little extra protein, we're going to add one of the non-dairy yogurts, just to kind of give it a little bit more balance.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living!
Now, this was a perfectly beautiful cauliflower when I bought it. But time got away from me and it got a little bit of nastiness here. All you do with this is you cut it off with a knife and you eat it. There's nothing wrong with it, okay? So I'm going to show you how to do that. And this has not been soaked. We cleaned up some of the damages on top with a knife. You've already seen that. The next thing we're going to be doing is we're going to take the papaya and we're going to cut it in pieces and put it in the blender. And we're going to add to it almond yogurt alternative vanilla from Silk. Really good. Delicious. Just to give us a little protein to the meal. Alright, so that's what we're going to do next. Yogurt alternative, the Silk, and we're going to blend it now. Pour it in a container like this, so that you don't pour it from the and pour it on top. So undo it. That's probably more than enough, and you're going to put the rest of this in a plastic container or a glass container. And now put it on top of your, not that, on top of this. That's a bowl of, okay. Take it from your container and then spoon it in. Now another way to do it is to do it this way, where you put it in, all of it in like that. And sometimes that's better because there's little separations in the, oh that's delicious, in the cauliflower, and you get a nice head of it. There's a really big head. Now the big heads won't be completely cooked, but that's okay. I actually like them with a little bit more texture on them. And with this combination cooking on top of inside the cauliflower, it's going to be really good for me. It's so easy to make a quick side. So it's time to take the cauliflower out. The papaya has had a beautiful orange color to it. Now you have to close your oven and turn off. You go back over here, you don't see any red lights on the top and the display, and that's what you want. Okay, we're going to let this cool because this is very hot. But we're going to plate it and then check it. Okay, so you would have thought by putting this beautiful orange papaya sauce on with the addition of the non-dairy yogurt would have changed the taste of the cauliflower. But it doesn't. The cauliflower tastes just like cauliflower, and the papaya has not changed at all. I always think it's interesting when you're working with recipes, especially if you don't always know what's happening. In this particular situation, the cauliflower looks very, very beautiful. And maybe the enzymes from the papaya have entered the cauliflower and have made it better. But for initial taste testing, the sauce is so minor, the differences, you really feel you can actually hear the cauliflower much more. On the very thicker pieces that I have, on the thicker pieces where I have a lot of the sauce on top, I'm tasting the sauce. And the sauce is a very mild sauce with a little bit of the yogurt, which has sweetened it up a little bit. Is this a failure? Not really, because it makes really beautiful cauliflower and it gives it a different look for your table. Again, thank you for watching, and we will look forward to seeing you on the next video. Bye-bye.
If you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.